What's up, Nigerians? As you've all heard it, the central bank introduced a new cashless policy. It means that Nigerians are to pay a charge of 2% and 3% on withdrawals above 500k. That means if you are about to withdraw about 500,000, you have to pay 10,000 naira extra. To me, that is insane because it doesn't make any sense. Why should I pay extra money why should I pay the bank extra money to withdraw my own money? It's not like I'm getting the money or it's transaction to another account. I'm depositing 500,000 to my own personal account and I'll have to pay extra 3%. To me, it doesn't make any sense. And the whole cashless policy of a thing is something that I feel like if you're trying to promote cashless policy in the country, it's meant to be something that you support companies that promotes cashless. This is more like all these fintech companies that do all these transfers online. That is how to promote cashless policies in a country, not by restricting withdrawals or making withdrawals more expensive or making deposit more expensive. Yes, there's sense to it in such a way that, okay, yes, you wouldn't want to withdraw 500k or hold 500k as cash, but it's total nonsense. I want to make a make a withdrawal of 1 million naira. I'll have to pay 20,000 naira to the bank, which doesn't make any sense. So personally, I feel it's not correct. It's absolute nonsense. They are getting the thing wrong. It's a total rip-off of Nigerians. And from what I'm reading here, let me read it to you guys very well from an article I read here. As at September 17, actually it's a re-implementation of the cashless policy. CBN said that the new charges on the depositors applied to those in Lagos, Ogun, Kano, Abia, Anambra, Rivers State, and FCT, that's Abuja. So apparently what they say is that above 500,000 naira, withdrawal limit of 3%. That is, if I'm withdrawing 500,000 naira and above, they will charge me 3% of that money. 3% of 500,000 naira is about 10,000 naira. If I'm depositing 2%, if I'm depositing 500,000 naira, they will charge 2%. For corporate accounts, it's even worse for corporate accounts. Withdrawal for corporate account is 5%. That is the charge on withdrawals for corporate account. Corporate account means like accounts that, let's say you have a business, you've registered the business, you're using the business name as the bank name and everything. Deposit 3%. To me, it's crazy. They are getting it wrong. China has a good cashless policy in their country, whereby if you go to China, it's even hard to see cash around. It's very, very hard to see cash around. And it's possible because there are platforms like Alipay, there are platforms like WePay, whereby we don't have to carry cash. We have apps that we can make transfers. You go to a shop, you want to buy something, all you need to do is scan QR codes and make payment directly from your phone. They didn't restrict anything about withdrawing cash or deposit. They didn't make it difficult for Chinese people to withdraw cash. They just gave room for these fintech companies to be able to operate very well in the country. They supported these fintech companies. They supported Alipay. Alipay is owned by Alibaba. So to me, it's complete rip-off. Another statement, and I've seen funny tweets that I'm going to be showing you guys. And let me show you guys this one. So like this Ushe Daniel guy said, no wahala, if you deposit above 500,000, if you want to deposit above 500,000, deposit 499,000 and continue in that manner. So it's just a way that, let's say they said this 500k that they'll charge money from. So if I'm want to deposit 500k, I'll just deposit 499,000, and that remaining 1k probably I can transfer it with my bank app and they won't charge it. But to me, it doesn't make any sense. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Is it a foolish policy? Is it completely insane? Personally, I feel it's a way they want to use to raise money. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe to this channel, join the community, help the growth of this channel. This is a Nigerian based channel. This is a Nigerian production. Help grow the channel, support the channel. Every like and comment is appreciated. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.